So today's workout is going to be drinking an entire bottle of Sprite and then burning it off in the gym. But this is a 0 calorie Sprite, so I'm going to see how it affects my workout when I take it on an empty stomach. Let's go. I don't like cold drinks. I don't. It's and I'm gonna work out after this. I don't even know what I'm doing to my body because of these challenges, but let's hope for the best. There's no sugar in this one, if you can see, zero sugar one. Aspartame is my pre-workout for today. What? Why? Why do I do this to myself? I don't know, but it's kind of fun. I think I've had enough. Okay, let's go. Alright, so today's challenge is to burn the maximum number of calories with literally zero sugary cold drink. And I thought that is going to be pretty easy for me, so I started with some incline running and walking mixed with Sprite in my hand, and it was already 70 calories down in the first 10 minutes. I was very happy with the stats that I was doing, and this was supposed to go till 250 is the target with just the cardio section, and I was pretty at it. So I was pretty at it having my first sip of Sprite during my workout, and it is pretty interesting how this challenge is going to end. So this was going on pretty well, and I thought, let me take a Sprite and then jump it off with the green t-shirt that I wore, and it was pretty much fun. That I enjoyed it a lot, and it was going on very well for me, as I love running. Running is the most favorite exercise for me. I don't think any exercises matches the bodybuilding and the weight loss drug like a good run. I reached up to 202 and I said I will keep on going. As you can see those stats, I said I need to cross 250. As you can see, I'm at 75% capacity. I thought let's have some chewing gum, as should burn my facial fat as well. And then I did some side gigs and I burnt close to about 330 calories with this, and that was a very good start. I'd say a kick start to my kick ass video. Then I went for some weight training, and it was a body weight day, and I only did jump squats. I did 3 sets of about 25 to 28 reps today. As you can see, my form is not very well because I have an injury in my leg, not my neck. But anyway. So then I started with some sideways squats and lunges, which will come in the video next, and wait till you see the end. I was dead tired after this, but I said no. Today I have to do as many as jump squats as humanly possible for me. And I kept going until I finally hit ki chalo, let's do some lunges. And lunges were the jumping ones, so I was losing my form because my shoes are a little a size bigger than what my actual size is. I need to change those, and then it was time for some more different varieties of lunges where you change the leg and it goes for your glutes and hamstrings. So these were some of the other variety that I did. I crossed approximately 250 squats and 125 lunges altogether in today's video. But and this, I think it did some effect. It did have to do something with the Sprite. I believe that. Then some jumping jacks just to get my energy, some high knees, and then again coming back to the squats, but with a different variation. And my trainer was there around to help me with that. I was doing very well, and my body was like, I need some solid food. But I said, without finishing this, I'm not going anywhere. And then it was time for a short break. so that I can catch my breath and then squats again. So as I told, I did a lot of squats today and lunges to variate them. I didn't record it very well because I didn't, but this was the entire gist of my video, me being tired all the time. But today was a very tough day for me. So at the end of the workout, I finished it and had my final sip of Sprite, which gave me a little bit of energy, to be honest. I don't know how without any sugar how it does that. It did, and I was like, okay, I'm done. Did some stretches, and I am heading back to my locker room. I hope you guys think that I did justice today, as some guys commented that I am not doing justice. So that was it for today's challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I put all my heart, and if you liked it, subscribe. My condition is not that bad today. I'm good with all the aspartame in my system. And yeah, that was it for today. I have got some few more interesting challenges coming up, so stay tuned. Bye.